feel fabulous with food. I am a holistic health coach since 1998. I'm also a speech and language pathologist for 43 years. And I focused on children with autism for 20 years. What I want to tell you today is how to turn around the symptoms of autism through improvement of gut health. I learned over the years as a speech and language pathologist that even though speech therapy and occupational therapy and physical therapy are wonderful therapies for children who already have autism, it's so important to know that the health of the gut, that gut-brain connection, is crucial. And without that, the child cannot make the progress that we want them to see. Where do we start? We start at the very beginning with what food we are using to nourish the body. Over my years of working at schools with children low functioning in autism, I saw the foods that they were eating. A lot of it was things that were highly processed and processed meats. Processed animal food a lot of times has mold that causes great problems for gut health. Refined, processed, starchy food, it causes the small intestinal walls to start thinning out over time, and these protein molecules and food toxins end up getting through and circulating. So we see in these foods, we see monosodium glutamate, MSG. Many of them are high in glyphosate, which is Roundup, one of the main causes of autism. And even though our white blood cells come out and they attack toxins, over time inflammation develops from eating food that is not organic and loaded with glyphosate, from food that is high in high fructose corn syrup, which many women are eating during their pregnancies. These are the things that we need to look out for. Also, medications. If your child is frequently on antibiotics, over time, the bacteria in the gut is excessively bad bacteria. And we want to build up that good, healthy bacteria. And how do we do that? I'm going to focus on a couple of them today, and I'm also going to tell you about my new book on autism and solutions for turning the symptoms around that will be coming out soon. What I want to focus on is the aspects of diet and lifestyle. And many times, animal food-based diets are recommended to families with children on the autism spectrum. These diets, high in animal protein, the animal protein is very difficult to digest, puts stress on the liver and the kidneys, and causes a lot of this excessive bad bacteria to develop. So we want to make sure that we're focusing on a high whole carbohydrate diet, simple plant foods for easy digestion. We also want to focus on getting our kids connected to the earth again. Getting them connected is a very important part of healing. Having them outside in the sunshine. I talk about this in great detail in my book, which I will be telling you more about in upcoming videos. It is crucial to get on this path, and these are the only two things I'm going to stress in this video, are the simple high carbohydrate lifestyle, abundant in simple carbohydrates, and also the connection to nature. Taking off your kids' shoes, getting them outside. You may not feel that this is a big deal, but over time, and it's been said, even by medical doctors who I've heard recently, that that earth connection is also a gut connection. Do those two things, and I will tell you more about my upcoming book. If you got value from this video, if you could please subscribe here, please express any comments or questions below and like this video. Follow me on Instagram at superhealthyraw. If you are interested in finding more about my health coaching programs, look at the description below. I look forward to seeing you in my next video and updating you more about my new book on autism, especially plant food nutrition. Have a wonderful day.